Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'd like to show you how you can make your own handy tape measure holder just out of a bit of scrap wood and an old hacksaw blade. So recently I wore out one of my hacksaw blades. It's time to replace this with a new one. Instead of throwing it away, I thought it'd be a good idea to use it in this project, and you can see all those broken teeth on it. So I started off by removing the blade. And then I gave it a quick sanding down with a high grit sanding block, just to give the paint a key. And then I gave it a quick spray with some satin black spray paint. Now for the body of the tape measure holder, I've got an old bed slat here, and I'm just offering up the blade to work out roughly how long it needs to be, and mine is 36 centimeters in length. Then I could get this cut on the miter saw. Then it was time for some sanding. I'll just give it a quick sanding over to smooth all the edges. And now I want to position the blade centrally to drill some pilot holes to secure it to this piece of wood. I used an awl to mark where I'm going to drill the pilot holes. And I also marked up for 2 other holes, and these will be clearance holes to secure it to the wall. And I'm using the combination square to get consistent markings. I could then drill the pilot holes. And then the clearance holes. Now to give it a quick coat of paint. This is grey emulsion that I mixed up myself from old black and white paint, water-based emulsion, and this will match the theme that I've got going on in my workshop. Now to attach it, I'm going to start off with 2 washers. And then to distance the blade from the wood, I've got 2 nuts that I'm going to add on either side. I can then add the blade. And then finally add these pan-headed screws. These screws go almost all the way through the wood, but not quite. Now to attach it, I've got some standard wood screws and washers. I'm going to put this above my screwdriver rack. If you'd like to see how I made the screwdriver rack, I'll leave a link to that video in the description box. Now just using a spirit level to make sure it's nice and level, I can add the second screw. and that was the project complete. Okay, so that is about it for this video. I think it turned out good in the end. It's only a quick and easy project, a bit of scrap wood and an old hacksaw blade. So if you've got a few of these lying around, you might want to make a couple of these depending on how many tape measures you've got. As you can see, I don't have many because I've misplaced most of mine. So when I do find the rest, I think I'll make another one. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.